Here's your weekly wrap-up around Kern High School District. BHS celebrates its legacy by inviting the community on an exclusive historical tour of the campus.
Get set, run!
Bakersfield High School invited the community to lace up their running shoes and take a walk down memory lane. During the second annual Run Into the Rig 5K and 2K fundraiser, some participants also joined Principal Ryan Gaivet for an exclusive Embrace the Legacy tour. The tour guided guests through some of BHS's most iconic spaces. Attendees walked through the famed stadium tunnel, where hundreds of student names are carved into the walls, remaining intact over the decades, a tribute to driller history. The group also visited the culinary classroom in Ludden Hall and saw recent upgrades to Warren Hall that modernized the historic building while preserving vintage features. Tourgoers then went backstage at Harvey Auditorium, exploring the basement, green room, and band room. Deep beneath the auditorium, they viewed a historic shelter, complete with post-war emergency supply canisters from the Office of Civil Defense. The tour concluded in the school's archiving room, where generations of driller history are preserved. Organizers said the tour welcomed alumni, students, staff, and the entire Bakersfield community, fostering school pride in one memorable morning. North High School proudly welcomed author Shayra to discuss her book, A Catalog of Burnt Objects, with hundreds of students hearing on the power of creativity and storytelling. 500 North High students have been reading the book, a fictional novel based in Paradise, California, where one of the state's most devastating wildfires occurred in 2018. Author Shayra shared the importance of utilizing creativity and building literacy skills for students during her keynote presentation.
Creativity and the resilience that it takes to be a creative person in today's world, right, is something that can be applicable to just about any kind of career and any future. We know that young people need to be flexible. We know they're going to be working jobs that don't even exist yet. And so their creativity and their ability to tell a good story about who they are, where they're from, what they're passionate about is going to be really important skills going forward.
Students also participated in a writing workshop with the author, providing more details on how real-life events and fiction can be merged to form compelling storytelling. North High librarian Katie McNamara helped organize the event to give students an insight into the storytelling process. Congratulations to Shayra Castillo, Jr. at South High School for being named the Boys and Girls Club of Kern County 2026 Youth of the Year. Shayra is South High's first Spartan to receive this award. This distinction is the highest honor a member can receive through the Boys and Girls Club of America, in conjunction with a $2,500 educational scholarship. Shayra has demonstrated exceptional leadership, service to others, and academic excellence, embodying true leadership qualities as a young student. Shayra's next step is to compete at the Coastal Youth of the Year event with youth candidates from other regions next month. Good luck to Shayra as she prepares to compete and represent her Spartan community. Thank you for watching the weekly wrap-up. To see more district content, please visit the KHSD Public Information Office YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.